Emails, meetings, fires to put out, repeat daily. Sound familiar? If it seems you are constantly behind, you are not the only one. Hi, I'm Karla Brandau, and I can teach you how to use your time wisely so precious minutes don't go into the wastebasket. Wasted. If you always need more time to finish up, leave work on time will change your day. This course gives you the tools to not only finish up, but also to gain control over your day, sharpen your focus, and finally end the day with a sense of satisfaction, knowing you completed your most important tasks. My Leave Work on Time course is 34 lessons of amazing content filled with time management tips and with demonstrations in Microsoft Outlook desktop. As I said, though, the training works in earlier versions of Outlook as well. So grab a special coupon just for you that will give you dollars and dollars off in the link below. See you online. Let me be your productivity coach.